Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I made this beautiful tart which looks amazing, but it's really easy to make and it tastes delicious. And I decorated this tart with Italian meringue. Please subscribe to my channel. It's very important for me. You support my channel by subscribing, by ringing a bell down below and leaving a comment. So this tart is very easy to make and you can make it for holidays, and stay till the end to see how I'm going to decorate this amazing tart. So first thing, step one, we're going to make a dough. So first I've got here room temperature butter, sugar, and I'm going to whip it really well till butter is soft and white. I'm going to add an egg, but there is a little detail. You don't need the whole egg, you need just 22 grams of an egg. So what I did, I took a whole egg, I whipped it together with my fork, and then I weighed just 22 grams out of the whole egg. If you take the whole egg, your dough is going to be too liquidy. It's easy. You see, it's going to separate, but then it's going to come together, don't worry. And now flour, sifted flour and almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, then use just regular wheat flour. Right, my dough is beautiful, mixed together really nicely. And now I'm going to put it on a plastic wrap. Make it flat. Cover it with the plastic wrap and put it in a fridge for about 45 minutes, an hour. Okay, step 2, we're going to make pastry cream. So I'm going to heat my mix of my cream and milk. And in a separate bowl, I'm mixing my egg yolk, sugar, and cornstarch. And a little bit of vanilla. Alright, my cream is hot and slowly I'm adding it to my egg mixture. Now I'm returning it to the pot and I'm going to cook my cream till it thickens. Texture is beautiful, silky, nice, thickens very fast. Cream is ready and I'm adding my butter and mixing it till butter is all dissolved. Now I'm moving my cream to the plate to cool down, and I'm covering it with my plastic wrap so it touches the cream. I put it aside and wait till my cream cools down to the room temperature. Alright, my dough spent an hour in the fridge and now I'm going to roll it and put it in my tart form. I added just a little bit of flour, but just a little bit. Okay, I've got my tart in my mold and now I'm going to poke it with my fork so it stays leveled while it's baking. And I'm going to bake it in 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 17 minutes. Okay, so my tart is ready, my pastry cream cooled down, and I got it through the sieve. So it's even better silky consistency. And now I want to add just a little bit of berries to my cream. So I already cleaned them and cut the top of it, so I just want to cut them in small pieces. Alright, I think that's good, and now I'm going to fill my tart with my pastry cream with strawberries. Alright, and now I'm going to decorate this beautiful tart with Italian meringue that I made. Alright, and I'm done. My beautiful tart with strawberry and pastry cream is ready, and you saw it's very fast and easy to make, and look at the result. Isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous, and you can decorate as any colors you want, any design you want. I'm not big at piping, but if you can pipe roses, peonies, go ahead, do it. So I think that's a great idea, and you can bake it for holidays and surprise your guests. And this idea with the Italian meringue works beautifully, so I suggest you make it, and it tastes great, and there is no buttercream, and it's like so light and so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make it with me, and I'll see you in my next video.